Hi, I'm Reja. I'm from Witco, and we're here at InfoComm 2026. So Witco is a workplace management solution. It's a software hardware solution. So first here we have the Kiosk Pad. So the Kiosk Pad is a content management platform, but also you can do wayfinding. So here you've got the ability to book desks, book rooms, etc. So if you come with me here, we've also got the Room Pad. So the Room Pad is a meeting room scheduler that you can just put outside of meeting rooms. So to also have its content management capabilities that sync up with the Kiosk Pad. And you can book a room, you can find other resources. Internet's a bit slow, so we're going to bear with it. But you can also order services for your meeting room, and you can declare issues, so ticketing for the workplace. You've also got our cute little box pad. This is my favorite one. It's for huddle rooms or desks. Same functionality, just smaller. And then you've got these desk tags, e-ink. Battery changes every 3 to 5 years, and you're good to go. So the star of the show here is actually the application. This is what ties it all together. So this is a workplace app with more than 50 modules and 150 integrations, with everything from attendance declaration to attendance declaration to room and desk reservation, parking reservation, etc., to visitor management, incident reporting. And then we've got the integrations that tie it all together. So most importantly, we integrate with Microsoft Teams, Places, Outlook, but we also integrate with everything from ServiceNow, sensor providers, smart building, connected lockers, restaurant providers, everything that an employee can need. Our thesis is really meeting employees where they are and providing them with the best quality of service possible. Again, I'm Reja from Witco. You can find us at www.witco.io or booth C5050 at InfoComm in Central Hall.